We just got an Airtel Xtreme fiber connection installed in our office, and Airtel has challenged us that we can connect up to 60 devices to it without affecting its speed or connectivity. I think that the router may be able to connect those many devices, but इतने सारे devices same speed पर चल पाएंगे? Well, that's the challenge. Since most of our team members are working from home, 60 devices तो नहीं collect कर पाए, but we did manage to collect 20 devices. And now I'm going to connect each one of these devices to Airtel Xtreme fiber connection. So let's do it. I'll be running a speed test on this laptop to check the strength. So the test is complete. 577.9 Mbps, that is the download speed, and the upload speed is 387.0 Mbps. What I'm doing right now is that I'm streaming a 4K high definition video here on this laptop, and to make things interesting, I'll be adding few more devices. 4K video. Alright, now the third device, that is the laptop. इसमें 2 मोबाइल फोन भी ऐड कर देते हैं, इनफैक्ट 3 मोबाइल फोन और ऐड करते हैं. Over to the 5th device now, and it's playing on the 5th device also. एक और इनी मीनी माइनी मो, चलो. और इसी के साथ number 6 is also done. In total 6 devices, that is 3 mobile phones and 3 laptops are running 4K Ultra HD high resolution video right now. And there is no lag, there is no buffer. So the other most common use of the data during the pandemic is for video calling and web meetings. Hey guys!
Hello, what's up?
Can you guys hear me clearly? Can you guys see me clearly?
Absolutely clear.
So I'm putting myself on mute now, and as you can see, the call quality is really good. Hey guys, listen, I'm going to put myself on mute now, but I'll be joining you guys quickly in some time, alright? And now over to the tough part. I'll be uploading some heavy unedited raw footage here on these 1, 2, 3 and 4 devices. So right now we are uploading 132 files. With an overall size of 6.74 GB. On the second device, we are uploading 44 items of overall size 4.89 GB. On this one, we are going really big. We are uploading 475 items. Overall size is 29.1 GB. On this system, we are uploading 4.99 GB of unedited raw footage. So 4 devices uploading heavy raw footage and another 6 devices playing Ultra HD 4K videos, and in all 20 devices connected to Airtel Xtreme fiber connection. Ab time hai speed test ka. So test results are here. Right now the upload speed is 452.2 Mbps. And now let me test the download speed. Alright, selected. And download. The download has begun. Alright, let it continue. Meanwhile, let me download some Switzerland in 8K Ultra HD. Alright, let's do this. Let me try another one. Let's see what's trending in India. Let me download Good Doctor then. So we are downloading a whole series on the Flix. इसके बावजूद इसके स्पीड पर कोई असर नहीं पड़ा है. The last thing I want to test is whether this connection can support online gaming and keep it seamless and lag-free with other devices running multiple tasks simultaneously. So far so good, no lag, it's quite seamless also. So we have come to the end of the stress test. Today we connected 20 devices to the Airtel Xtreme fiber connection. We uploaded heavy raw footage on these 4 devices. We also downloaded footage on these 2 devices, and there's a meeting going on the tablet. Hey guys, I'll join you guys in 2. We also downloaded a web series to binge later on this mobile phone, and as you can see on the remaining devices, we are running Ultra HD 4K high resolution videos. and the experience is quite seamless and without any buffer or lag. And finally, it's time for speed test. Quite impressive. Mind you, 20 devices are connected. And despite that, the download speed is really good. And so is the upload speed. So I nearly put the workload of an office day on the Wi-Fi and it stood through it all. Yes, there were a few glitches here and there, but overall it was a seamless experience and I totally recommend it.